time hour of your schedule, so you can able to still add a couple of nail art on your service and increase the incomes, increase the tickets on each client. Imagine if each client you had additional $10 or $20 per each appointment. If you have 10 clients, 5 clients a day, is going to add a lot of more income for you. All right, so I'm gonna just give you a little swirl, more green. Okay, so all you need, I did 2 coat of the pudding already. The first one I did was pumpkin. The second nails I have is the pudding, and 2 coat each layer here for 60 seconds. And I am go ahead and using a blossom gels. And when you apply blossom gels on, do not cure it yet. And if you want really spreading nail art, you are going to apply it a little bit more, like not loading a lot to the point that is too over, like it's just a little bit like thicker layer. But if you want to be spreading slower, then you're gonna add yours blossom gels a little bit thinner. All right, so this is the first look for all of you just tuning in. It's so cool and it's stunning. It's so simple though. We can dress whole entire things, but I want to show you that it's really cool that it has the Halloween on the Chan Foy. Oh my gosh, I think I touched it. I just touched my nails on it. It's not cured at all. I haven't cured anything, so it's still remaining stay wet right now. And then we are going to, let me show you closer. It looks like really dark on the screen. It looks like, oh, so it give you a little bit of cool of the effect. So I'm gonna pick up part of it. And then and more purple. I'm loving it.
And right now you can see all our polish start to spread. So that's what blossom gel do. So when you put a drop on it, it will slowly spread. And because you got a nice mixture of color, it becomes something super cool on its own.
Is that cool? I'm gonna add just a little bit of the sparkly rose gold. I'm just give a little bit hint of it. It looks really good in person though. It looks somehow under the camera, it looks a little bit dark to me. It's okay, because then sometime when you're watching this video clip later, you'll see exactly what I mean. You can add just like a little hint on it. It's still spreading for you nicely. You can add some glitter. Oh, I'm liking it. Hey, how is under the camera look though?
You look fine.
Looks cool. Like really like fall. All right, it looks so cool though in person. Add more. I'm gonna take advantage of that. It's still spreading. I'm gonna add just a little bit. Okay, so now if you don't want any crystal or anything else on it, absolutely you are going to cure, top coat, and cure for 60 seconds, and you're good to go. All right, so now we are going to cure. Before cure, I usually check on the both end of the nails. Here for 60 seconds.
Yeah, and for